So if you're a Milwaukee, aka Milwaukee IA tool user and you want to save some money, I got some deals for you today. And I think you're going to think they're pretty real nice like. So we're just going to get into it. Enough of the blah, blah, blah. Let's save you some money. So the first set of deals that we're going to talk about here is you're going to get a free 6.0 bat ray. So you can see here you got the Milwaukee Rotary hammer, some band saws. You even got the metal cutting circular saw. If you click on any of these, so you can see here more rotary hammers, you got the grinders, you just got all kind of stuff here. I'm not going to name everything. You can see that you're going to get a 6.0 bat ray. So if I click on the grinder, we'll just click on the grinder right here. It's going to take you to this page right there. And it's going to tell you a free M18 6.0 bat ray or bare tool. You can pick another tool. So if you need another grinder or whatever, you can get that. Now, these are the ones that are going to offer you the 6.0. If you go down, and I'll leave a link in the description for all of these, you can see you get a 5.0 bat ray. So you got the die grinder, regular grinders, you got the 5/3/8 circular saw. However, this will also apply to the track saw. If you buy a track saw, you save 159 bucks, you get the free bat ray with the track saw. It'll work with the M18 FUEL Sawzall recip saw. So if you get the bare tool, you get the free bat ray. 159 savings. Even works if you buy the kit. So you're already buying the bat ray with the charger and the sawzall and the case. You also get another one of these 5.0s. It'll work if you get the multi-tool, and this is the FUEL, the M18. You get two. You get the impact driver, you get the charger, you get the bag and the multi-tool, and you get free bat ray. Now I would imagine saving you money like this, it would make you want to smash that like button. Subscribe, hit the bell notification. We got more. You'll get one with the greaser. I can't say the GUN part because YouTube sucks. Probably be easier for me to just show you this. The 6.0, you'll also get it on the 7 1/4 Circ Saw. You'll get it on the Pruning Saw Hatchet. Just type in these numbers right here. I just pause this video. Right here. I'll leave the link in the description below. Pruning Saw Hatchet. You'll get the free 6.0 bat ray. You're going to get the SDS-Plus rotary hammer. And then the high-speed drain snake kit. You'll get free bat rays with that. We got more. If you buy one of these, you get a free 4.0 M12 bat ray. So you got bandsaw, you got some lasers over here. This one here is pretty real nice. Like, I'll tell you straight out, this is an excellent tool. It's newer, usually $149 by itself for this detail sander. But you're going to get a free 4.0. So if I click on this, you can see it's $89 that I'm going to save. So that's a pretty nice deal. I mean, $149 by itself, you're getting it. That's a good buy right there. Now, the MX FUEL stuff, I don't do a lot of because I ain't into concretus. And I don't do electrical, plumbing, all that good stuff. I leave that to professionals. But if you are in the MX FUEL platform, if you buy one of these kits, that's even the MX carry-on power supply, which is pretty real nice like. You're going to get a free bat ray. It's the XC406. So if you click on one of these, we'll click on the power supply. That thing costs you $649 by itself. Now this is only going to be, let's see, $1029.23 offer. And then again, the M18 FUEL stuff, we already went over this. But if you want to get the free 6.0, the free 5.0, or the free M12 4.0, well, this might be a good time to do that. You're saving a little bit of money. You know, it's not like Black Friday deals, but still saving a little bit of that sweet moolah, and that's what we like to do on this channel. But I want to know what you think. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. You plan on getting any of these? Share this out with your friends. Help them save some money. They're going to like you so much more than they already do. And if you want to see a cool video, I got one for you right here. Back with more videos soon.